Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We're going to do a quick brief intro, and this video is all about green eyeshadow challenge. Okay, stay tuned. All right, you guys, we're just going to dive right in here, and I'm going to use today, I have a full face. All I'm going to do on camera, I'm going to use the Morphe. But of course, Morphe. This is the 35M palette. It's a phenomenal palette. And this is the one palette that I have that has the most green shades. So I was like, okay, it's going to be Morphe. All right now. So here we go. All right, so I've already prepped my eyes, my eyelids with Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm feeling good about that, and I'm ready to go. Let me just get this off here. So I hope you guys are doing well. It's so nice to have you back. And I'm trying to do, several videos to make sure that I keep up with the trends and things that are either on Instagram or YouTube. Okay, so primarily all the brushes I'm using, my full disclosure all the time, are Morphe brushes. So I'm not really going to take the time to go through giving all the numbers. I have a gang of them, clearly. Okay, so I'm going to start out with, and I think Morphe is so kind. Okay, so this is Express Yourself, and it does say yourself. Okay, let's see here. And I'll try and show you guys the green. I'm going in with this one, Express Yourself. Okay. And I'm just gonna, simply no fallout. I'm going to actually get Jeffree Star Spirit to help me. I'm going to put it in my crease. And I'll probably do like 2 layers. This is definitely, I think, my first time going green. I am totally into being green and saving the planet. But as far as eyeshadow, whoo, that's a new one. Okay. Goes on well. Excellent pigmentation. And as I learned from my favorite person on YouTube, one of them at least, Nikki Tutorial, you just blend, blend, blend. Whatever colors you're working with, just blend. Okay. So now I'm going to go in with, I have a little bit lighter, let's see. Nudie Tootie. Okay. And once again, I'm using the same brush. I cleaned it off a bit, but I'm just going in right under my crease. Just layering that green. So far, it's looking good. Putting a second layer of Nudie Tootie. Wow, it is intense. Definitely different for me. Okay. So then I'm going to go in with, this is Green with Envy. It's a darker, richer, almost emerald green. Let me try and show you guys. It's gorgeous. This little puppy right here. This clearly is the most green in one palette I've ever seen. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, this is making it come to fruition, that's for sure. And I'm definitely not green with envy, but I see I am definitely green because I try not to envy anyone or anything. Okay, I'm going to take a larger Morphe brush and just blend that. so that it's no harsh colors. Wow. Hello. Who knew? Okay, so I'm going to do a little daring. Let me see here. I'm going to go in. Try this one. This is, let me see here. Stroke of Luck. And it's almost like a neon green. I'll put that right in the center of my crease. I'm loving this. Because it's so outside my comfort zone. Okay, I'm taking my big brush and blending. All right, kind of nice, kind of nice. Okay. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit of a shimmer, and I am scared to do this, but I think it's coming out nice. So this here, the one I'm thinking about, let me see, is Bold Moves. And this whole review is a bold move. It's this little puppy right here. It's a green shimmer. It's the lightest, greenest, most effervescent color for a glitter in this particular palette. Okay. Nice. I am loving this shadow. Oh my gosh. I'm just putting 2 layers. But it's great pigmentation. Actually 3. Oh, this is nice. Okay, let me see. It's looking good. Okay, so I'm going to go in and put the same colors underneath. It's gorgeous. Okay, a little bit more inner corner. Okay, and this is Green with Envy now. Oh, it's such rich color. Wow, okay. So I have one more little thing I'm gonna do. And this here is, let me see. This is Light of the Party. Light of the Party, okay. It's a shimmer, it's a little light. We'll put it in the front. Just a tad bit. Blend that in. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I think this is green enough. I'm going to do my liner, mascara, lashes off camera, and I'll come back and show you guys the final look. I'm loving it though. I am truly loving it. I got to blend a little bit more right here, but it's great. Okay, be back. Okay, so this is the final green eyeshadow challenge. I am really liking this. And so just to review, of course, you guys know I did my eyeliner, mascara, and lashes off camera. So I did use, let me grab it. I went in and used the Morphe 35M palette for this green eyeshadow challenge. And I kid you not, this is the most elaborate array of green shadows I've ever seen in a palette. Once again, I'll quickly name some of the colors I used. I used Stroke of Luck, Express Yourself, Nudie Tootie, Green with Envy, Bold Moves, Hello Sunshine, and also Light of the Party right here. Oh my God, I love it. So off camera, I used Long Adorable. This is Bougie Beauty, and it's a black mascara. I use Ingot for my eyeliner. I used, of course, my handy dandy True Tri Duo Glue in black. I also used I Envy number 15 in Espresso number 15. I love these. I just get them at the beauty supply store. All right, you guys, this is the final look. Let me know what your thoughts are about the green eyeshadow challenge. I had no idea I would love it this much, but I do. I'm gonna wear it all day. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click the JB and subscribe to this little family. Give me a like, I appreciate that. Please leave a comment also. Let me know your thoughts if you've tried the green eyeshadow challenge duo look. Okay, so follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Also check out my beauty blog, Jacqueline's Beauty. And don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.